Well, we got to talk some weather after a beautiful day like today. Did we get to the 80s?
Oh, we did.
Oh,
They're back.
Yeah,
Back.
just that little extra 4, 5, 6 degrees from yesterday at this time
You can
makes
feel
a
it.
big difference.
Yeah, definitely a little more kind of a taste of August, though we are definitely getting closer to the official start of autumn. And there's one way that we know we're getting close to an equinox. So Indianapolis is laid out on a grid system, the roadways here. So we know we have the east, west, north, south. This is east-west. This was last night. I snapped this. This is North Street. And it is an east-west roadway. You notice that sunset is almost right down the middle of the roadway. This happens twice a year on these east-west roads as we get close to the equinox. Saturday will be the start of autumn for us here. The sun's direct rays are near the equator. What will happen after we get through Saturday and in the weeks ahead is that sunset will be south of this road. So something kind of neat to check out here. And speaking of sunset, this evening at 7:46, as our daylight gets less and less as we go into December here, temperatures certainly mild. We're in the upper 70s at 7 o'clock. Overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, it will not be as cool as the last several starts here because of the south wind and a little more cloud cover. But yes, there you go, Felicia. We are in the 80s here across all of central Indiana here. Little hazy sunshine. She is certainly a happy camper. We're going to keep these 80s going into the weekend, by the way. What will change a little bit as we go into tomorrow, we talked about this at the top of the hour here, a little bit more in terms of cloud cover. The little system here, and it will probably crank out at least a few showers, especially the farther west you go tomorrow. So a better shot maybe in Terre Haute, Lafayette, Crawfordsville, down into Owen County here. Not going to rule out a few sprinkles or a light shower around Indianapolis. I just think it'll be very hit and miss at best. So we'll start around 60. We'll finish even with the clouds. I think we'll have enough dry time to squeeze out the lower 80s. Odds of rain are not very high at all, and if you do see rain, it's going to be rather light the way it's looking right now. So here's tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. So again, you'll start to notice the starts of the morning will be a little milder. Here's how we go into the afternoon. We'll get into the 80s, except when you do get caught under a shower, it will knock your temperature down momentarily. So we get into Friday here, something similar. Slight chance of a shower pop up, but we're still talking about temperatures that will be well into the 80s here. Hazy and warm for Friday. And as we go into the weekend, we're going to keep it into the 80s. We'll see if we do start to cool down next week. There is a chance of some showers, though right now it doesn't look like a big rainmaker for us. We're going to talk some Colts potential weather. We'll see you coming up in the next half hour.